How to solve 4 to the power x is equal to 20. Now I explain what is the value of x. First of all, 4 to the power x is equal to 4 and 5. Then I will explain log 4 to the power x is equal to log 4, 5. X log 4 is equal to log 4 plus log 5. Now divided by log 4 and divided by log 4. Then log 4 will be cancelled. Then x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Log 4 will be cancelled. Now I write down x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Strong x is equal to 1 plus log 5 by 4. This is the value of x. Answer. How to solve a to the power 184 plus a to the power 184 is equal to what? At first we take common a to the power 184, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now a to the power 184 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket for 184 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 3 times 184, that means 552 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 552 plus 1, that means 553. So 2 to the power 553 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.